To solve a compound inequality, we need to isolate the variable in the center. Any operation to isolate the variable in the center must be done to all three areas: the middle, the left, and the right. In this example, notice we have a compound inequality. The first thing we need to do is remove the 2 that is in the denominator. We can do that by multiplying the middle by 2. If we do it in the middle, we need to do that on the left and the right. That will reduce the 2's in the middle. And then when we simplify, 2 times 0 is 0, is less than 3x plus 2 is less than or equal to 8. Now, continuing to isolate the x in the middle, we need to subtract 2. Again, if we do it in the middle, we need to do it on the left and the right. Negative 2 is less than 3x is less than or equal to 6. Finally, we divide by 3. And again, if you do it in the middle, you have to do it on the left and the right. Negative 2/3 is less than x is less than or equal to 2. Once we have x by itself in the middle, we're finished. The directions want us to express the answer in interval notation. I'm going to show you all 3 different answers just as a reminder. First, we have the graph. To graph it, imagine a number line, and it's starting at negative 2/3, open circle because we're not actually including negative 2/3, and then it goes up to and includes the positive 2. The interval notation starts at negative 2/3, but again, we don't include it, so we use parentheses, and then it goes up to positive 2 bracket because we do include the positive 2. And then the set builder notation, we have the curly braces, all x such that, then we copy the last line of our work. Negative 2/3 is less than x is less than or equal to 2, and then close off the braces. In this example, we can eliminate the fraction by multiplying by the LCD, which in this case is 3. So we'll multiply the left side by 3, multiply every term in the middle by 3, and multiply the right side by 3. That will reduce the fraction. The 3's go away for the fraction. Simplifying, we're left with negative 3 is less than or equal to 3 minus x is less than 3. Continue to isolate the x. We need to subtract 3 in the middle. We'll do that on the left and the right as well. We have negative 6 is less than or equal to negative x is less than 0. Continuing again to isolate the x, we need to divide everything by negative 1. This will give us 6 is greater than or equal to x is greater than 0. Remember that if you divide or multiply by a negative, we change the direction of the inequality. Notice now that we have x in the middle, but the numbers are a little weird because we have our bigger number on the left side and the smaller number on the right. So we want to reorder this. We have 0 is less than x is less than or equal to 6. Now it looks a little better because the numbers are in the correct order. And that will make a lot more sense when we look at a graph. The number on the left is 0. And then it goes up to and includes positive 6. The interval starts at 0 but does not include the 0 and goes up to positive 6 and includes it. The set notation, we have curly brace, x with a bar, and then we copy the last line of our work. 0 is less than x is less than or equal to 6.